Hey, welcome back to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be drawing a dragon breathing fire. First step we're going to do is draw the horns. Let's start at the top of the paper and then go down a line. And then we're going to extend that line and go out. Now we're going to start at the top and then come down to about right there. Now we're going to follow this line to make another, and then at the end we're going to make a rounded line to connect them both. There we go. Now we're going to make the head. Start kind of in the middle of the horn and then go out and down. Now we're going to try to pretend that line goes through the horn and start on the other side, and then draw a curve down like this. Now on the other side of the head, we're going to make another horn. So start by going up and then up again and around. And then we're going to go down and then out. And I'm going to make this curve a little straighter. There we go. Perfect. Now on this side, we're going to have spikes of the dragon, and then this side will be the head. So let's start with the face by going down and then out and around. We're going to continue this line and go up and out. Now start kind of in the middle of this bump and go out a bit, and then start below that bump and go up and out. And then we're going to take that line and go down and out and go down again. Go inwards and then around. And here are where teeth are starting to form. So let's draw one tooth starting here, just a line. And then it's going to be like a triangle that's rounded, just like this. And then connect any lines that you didn't connect already. Once you have that, we're going to continue from the tooth and then go out like this. And then from the side of the tooth, draw a curve up. And then when I go out, I'm going to draw another tooth. So go down and then down again and make your little tooth mark. Now continue with another curve just like this one. I'm going to make a line that's going to start to wrap around and go down. From this line, we're going to go out and stop about there. I'm going to make one more tooth hang down about there. And then once you get in the middle of these two teeth, we're going to make another tooth going up. So form a curve and then go down like that, and then in and around. We're going to make a line that goes down as well, and then a curve over, and then a tooth. So start with the line, then we're going to make that triangle shape, go down, and then around. There we go. Now let's finish off the mouth with a line like this, and then a line down. We're going to go inwards like that. Start by going around and then up like that. We're going to make part of the jaw by making a line here, going down, around, and then up. Starting to look like a dragon. Let's start kind of in the middle of these two lines, so maybe about here, and then draw a line down and then all the way out like this. Now from this point, we're going to make another curve that goes around like this, and then keep continuing that curve and then go out about there. That'll be the neck. We're going to draw some details on our dragon. So start here and then go up and around. We're going to make a little point that goes in and then around again and up. Then continue that line and stop at the jaw. Let's make some marks like this going in, and I'm going to make another one that goes in as well, and then I'm going to make another mark like that and then color it in. I kind of like that. I'm going to make that other mark the same, just so it looks a little fuller. There we go. Let's make some details on the face. So start at the nose, and we're going to make a curve that goes around and over. Keep that same pattern and make like a moon shape and then fill it in. We're going to make another shape kind of like the moon shape, like that, and then inside of that shape is just going to be a line. Now we're going to make another line that goes like this and then follow around the nose and over. I'm going to make a mark that goes from here and over as well. Let's make an eye. So start on this curve, and then I'm going to go down and around and up. We're going to make the eye have like a big line in the middle. There we go. Around the jaw, let's put some details as well. Just draw a line and then follow that same line again to make that curve and color it in, just like my other one. I'm going to make a detail on the horn as well. So start at the horn and go around, and then up top we're going to start here and then go around like that. Let's make a detail around the eye. So we're going to make that moon shape like that, and then follow that shape again and go down and color it in. Perfect. Now we're going to make some scales. Let's put one scale here, and then I'm going to make another scale like this. And you can put as many or as little scales as you want. Mine just kind of be kind of random. There's another one, and then another scale, and another. Kind of look like they're a little layered. Let's put some scales down here. So start about here and then go around and in. I'm going to make another one that goes around and in again. And they're kind of like a little curved, not perfect circles like this. And one more to finish it off. There, I did 4. Now let's finish the back side of our dragon. and then we'll put the fire in. So start here at the head, and we're gonna make a scale. One of my scales is gonna go up and over like this. I said scale, I meant horns, or what are they? I don't know what goes on the back, you tell me. Let's put another one of these things. I think I said it earlier. I can't remember. Scale horn thing? There. And then we're gonna make a pattern that goes in the middle like this, and then over. Perfect. Now from this one, make it go down just a little more, and I'm gonna make this curved edge kind of go down a bit and around like this. So I'm pretending this line is continuing over. Now let's put another triangle here like that. I'm gonna make mine a little thicker. Perfect. I'm gonna put one peeking behind in the back like this. Now continue following that line to go to the next one. And I just drew a line, and then go up, around, and down. And then again, one behind it. So go like this and around. And then follow that line again to close it up. There we go. Let's put some detail. I'm going to put a line here and then a line going down. Let's put another detail mark here. And then I'm going to put a detail mark there. And I'm going to put some in the horns as well. So just kind of follow that curve down, and I'm going to do that again to make it a little thicker. Perfect. I'm going to put another detail mark here and kind of make it a triangle, and then color it in. And then I'm going to make one more detail mark in this horn. It's just going to go up and down, and then I'm going to follow that same line to make it a little thicker and color it in. Cool. Now I'm going to make the fire. So let's start at the end of our dragon at the nose, and then make a mark that goes out and around like this, and then go in. And then from this point, we're going to go up, around, and over again, and then go in and start here, go up and over, and then in again, and then start here and go up, over, and one more time going in. Looks good. I'm going to make another detail mark going here, around, and out. And then one more here. Color it in a bit. I'm going to make another mark. I see I can make one here. I think our dragon looks pretty good. Let's start coloring him in. Fire-breathing dragon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.